Welcome to another healthy recipe video. Today, I'm sharing two Indian style lunch or dinner recipes that are enriched with microgreens. I prepare similar dishes often to consume microgreens I cultivate at home. I'm doing this video today upon request. I grow different microgreens at home. Pea and fenugreek greens are my favorites. These are pea shoots. I kept these on my kitchen window. They need to grow further. Microgreens need plenty of sunlight and a good supply of water. I harvested a batch of pea shoots this morning. And kept them refrigerated for use in dinner. For dinner, I prepared Indian style Jeera Rice and Paneer Bhurji and added lots of microgreens. Take 1 cup of basmati rice to serve 2. Wash well and drain. Add fresh water and soak the rice for 30 minutes. Boil the soaked rice in plenty of water. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt and ghee or preferred oil half teaspoon. This is a low oil recipe. Once the rice is mostly cooked and still firm, drain it. We need the spices: cumin 2 teaspoons, bay leaf 1, cardamom 3 to 4, black peppercorns 1 teaspoon, clove 1 and cinnamon 1-inch stick. Any microgreens: half cup, cashew nuts a quarter cup, onion 1 big slice, green bell pepper or capsicum a quarter cup, green chili 1, fried onion to garnish, lime juice from a quarter piece of lime. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee or vegetable oil. Roast the cashews. Add washed whole spices to the same pan and roast until aromatic. Add sliced onion and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Add finely chopped green chilies and sliced bell pepper. Cook until the onions turn translucent and add 2.5 cups of boiled basmati rice. Mix everything well and cook covered for 5 minutes or till the rice is done. Add a quarter to half cup of microgreens. Pea shoots or any microgreens can be used, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. The leaves don't need to be cooked. The steam from the hot rice is enough. Mix everything well. Garnish with fried onion and cashews. Finally, add the juice of a quarter piece of lime or lemon. Jeera rice or cumin rice with goodness of pea shoots is ready. Our next recipe is scrambled paneer or Paneer Bhurji with lots of microgreens. Heat a tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add the chopped onion. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt later. When the onion turns translucent, add the tomato. Cook for 5 minutes. Now add the green chili and chopped green bell pepper or capsicum. I don't make this dish very dry. I added 2 tablespoons of water to cook the vegetables quickly and for some moisture. Add scrambled paneer. I had soaked the paneer in hot water for 30 minutes. Finally, add the greens. Pea shoots or any microgreens can be used. and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame. Our healthy, easy scrambled paneer is ready. It is rich in protein from paneer and fibers, vitamins and antioxidants from the microgreens. This is often our lunch or dinner. We had the rice along with my home-style mildly spiced chicken curry in coconut gravy. I hope you liked the recipes. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.